This is the Kumho Ecsta Sport PS72, a high-performance summer tyre designed to give you excellent performance in both the wet and the dry. It's available in sizes from 17 to 20 inches and offers precise control and long-lasting reliability whether you're driving a petrol, diesel, hybrid or EV. The PS72's advanced tread compound helps boost grip and braking performance compared to previous models, meaning that you can brake with confidence. To handle rain and reduce the risk of aquaplaning, Tyre uses a robust, optimised tread design that evacuates water effectively and improves wet traction, keeping you safer in less than ideal weather. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tyre and industry advice. Kumho have also reinforced the tyre's construction with strengthened tread blocks and high-stiffness rubber, which enhances handling precision, steering response and stability, especially when cornering or driving at higher speeds. In addition, the optimised contact patch and specialised compound help extend tyre life, giving you greater durability and value over the long run. So there we have it, that is the Kumho Ecsta Sport PS72, a high-performance summer tyre that's going to keep you safe during those spirited drives.